la la, it's day 19, la 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 la, let's open our door. And Stephanie's been hanging here since door number 18. All the blood will have rushed to her head. Let's pull her out because she's got hyperextended arms now because she's been hanging there for so long. Let's see what's behind door number 19. We're almost into the 20s and it looks like some kind of chocolate rocket. Is it a chocolate rocket? I don't know. All right, let's... I'm really not doing very well with these. Yesterday I had no idea really what it was, kind of like a cupcake stall. Okay, let's open this up and build our little chocolate rocket. I like saying that, chocolate rocket. Why do I like saying that? I think I have a bit of Christmas crazy going on. All right, so we're going to get all our little chocolatey pieces down here. And we are going to put this bit on here. And this on here. Hold on, hold the phone. We need to take that off and we need to put another white piece up here. And then we can put that one back on there and that works a bit better. So now we've got these, these ones with the little single studs in the middle. Okay, no, not yet. All right, so we need these and now we put the single stud ones in. I promise I haven't been drinking all the eggnog. Really, I'm just confused today. And some little buttons on our chocolate rocket. I don't know, it's gonna fly through the air with some chocolatey, stripy goodness. Another little chocolate. Oh, were you shouting at me all the time? Ellie, Ellie, it is a gingerbread man, you kook. Yes, okay, so it's a gingerbread man, not a chocolate rocket. Yep. Okay, so there's his little face, and there he is. You can forgive me for thinking he looks a bit like a chocolate rocket when he's on his side, right? Maybe. Okay, Stephanie's taking this away, hanging it on the tree. Oh, okay, all right, let's see, where's this gonna go? Let's see if I can get it to hang straight. Come on. Hang straight for me. There we go. Chocolate gingerbread man is on the tree. So make sure you subscribe. Check back in tomorrow for door number 20. And let's see how I go with that one. Hopefully better than today. See you tomorrow. Bye.